Incident, domestic disturbance, physical altercation, location, southwestern US, APD jurisdiction. Date, Friday evening, exact date, unconfirmed, charge filed interference with emergency 911 communication. Legal issues identified, 1911 interference, 2 Miranda violation, 3 dual aggressor doctrine, 4 firearm handling.
Hey, police. What are you doing, man? Come on. Come here. Hold on, I did it. Just come out real quick. What's going on?
My girlfriend tweaking, you see my face bloody as hell.
What happened?
Put her hands on me.
Why?
I don't know.
What's going on?
Shit, we've been arguing. What do you mean, boss? Go outside this house, let me here.
Alright.
I don't know the police could just walk in your crib like that either, though.
123.
See my shirt?
Yeah. What happened? Why are you guys arguing?
Because he want to go out and be with some
Yeah.
You got a man that go to work every day and come home. Why do you want to go be with
Yeah.
I love this girl. I've been with this girl for 7 years. The whole 7 years we've been together, never touched her one time. It's not in my character, sir.
Yeah.
I don't do no like that.
Yeah.
We both own the lease. We both live here. We both pay bills here.
When I pulled up, I heard you saying that you're gonna kill her.
Oh, she
What
said.
was that about?
She said she's gonna have kill me. I know. I love the girl.
I
Why would
don't
I
know,
kill
man.
her, dude?
That's what I heard.
Oh, hell no. Hell no.
All right. Well, then what?
Hell yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So she hit you,
Yeah, but I don't want her to get in trouble.
but she ain't got. You got marks on you, on your face, right? What does she have on her?
Probably a little ass mark on her thing because I muffed her.
Okay.
Bro, back up. I ain't trying to do this.
Yeah.
I love you.
Yeah.
I'll never put my hands on you.
So, because she wants to leave and go out with her girlfriends, y'all arguing?
See how that good?
Let me see your mouth then.
No, I ain't see this one on my nose.
It's out of your nose. She punched your nose.
No. I went into the wall trying to get the hell away.
You ran into the wall trying to get
Yeah,
away.
she coming at me.
Yeah.
And when I turned around, she came to the door.
Like in the frame.
Yeah.
You got marks on your neck. You
Is that where all the blood is on
No,
you?
that's
Is that why there's all that blood on you?
Blood from your nose is from.
running into the door.
Okay.
Sure.
And the scratches on your face are from her.
I thought someone ran into the party.
That don't make sense.
I know.
Because you have them all over your face. It's not just one.
I ran into the door.
Yeah. How many times did you run into the door?
Shit, I'm trying to get away.
I hear that, man. But
I'm
that
trying
don't
to-
make sense,
You
right?
see my dog, when you open the door, you see my dog, he had the leash on.
Yeah.
I'm trying to take my dog outside for a walk. I just got out of work.
Okay.
I work right here. Right on the
Right,
corner.
and best. You just got out.
Literally.
Okay.
I can't
Where's she?
I can't even show you my time.
You got your ID on you? Or is it inside?
No warrants, no nothing.
You didn't hit her at all?
Oh, hell no. I pushed her off me. Yeah, hell yeah, I did.
Okay. She didn't scratch you, is what you're saying?
No, she didn't do nothing. I ran into the door.
Yeah.
He was in that bitch for 2 months. I don't want no dealings in that
Got it.
shit. No
Alright.
dealings.
Can you raise up your sleeves? Show me your hands. Like this. Good. You.
You see, my hands ain't red. I ain't
Just
hit
hang out
nobody.
here with my partner.
I ain't hit nobody.
What's all the blood on your shirt from? Just from your nose?
Can we stand in the shade now? Can we stand right there?
Sure. So the knot on your head, was that from, how did that happen?
I didn't have a knot on my head. It was right
Or on the side of your face?
Yeah.
How did that happen?
That was from him hitting me.
From him hitting you?
Yeah.
Okay, so it didn't happen when he pushed you?
No, because he didn't push me like
didn't
on my
push you?
face. No,
No, he's saying you hit the windowsill when he pushed you.
yeah, the back of my head, but not right here.
Gotcha, the back of your head hit the windowsill?
Yeah, and I don't feel any lumps or anything. I didn't hit it that hard.
Okay. And when did he push you? Was that he's saying that he pushed you after you had struck him in the face?
Of course he did. I was getting in the bathroom getting ready, and that's when he came in, and then he pushed me, or I can't remember who. I'm pretty sure he pushed me first, and then that's when I punched him.
And then him striking you in the face was after you punched him?
Yeah.
Alright. And then did he take the phone away from you while you were calling?
Yeah, and that's like the main reason we were arguing too, is he wouldn't give my phone back to call you guys. Because I knew it was going to escalate to this. So I'm sure if you guys can talk to dispatch, I called like 3 times and they heard everything going on too because the phone was on.
Yeah, we just have to try to figure out like what happened first, right? So that's where we're getting at, because obviously he has some marks on him.
Yeah.
His nose is bleeding a little bit, and he's got blood on his shirt from his nose bleeding. Now he says that happened from him running into a wall to try to get away from you.
Yeah, and there was people on the wall, but...
Did you hit your head on the windowsill? You said, but it was just the back of your head.
Yeah, the back of my head.
So he pushed you in your chest.
Yeah.
And that happened after.
After we left the bathroom, yeah.
But the other part happened in the bathroom where you guys punched each other.
Yes.
And then you said that he pushed you first, and then you punched him.
Yeah,
in the face.
he pushed me, so I punched him because I knew if I didn't push him back, he was gonna keep hitting me.
And then, but he just pushed you at first, just like in the chest,
Yeah,
or where
but
did he
like-
push you at?
Like against the sink. If
Yeah.
you look in our bathroom, like
Yeah.
I fell down kind of, so that's when I got up and hit him because I knew a punch was probably coming after that.
Right. And then he struck you after you
Yeah.
punched him? Did he use his right hand or his left hand, do you know?
I don't remember. I'm guessing right because he's right-handed, but
Just the one punch? And then what happened after that? You guys went outside of the bathroom?
yeah, that's when he pushed me like from the front, and then I hit my head in the back of the.
And then you called, or did you call before
I
that?
called before that. My phone was on the bed, and the person was like talking. I could hear them like asking questions and stuff.
Okay. Alright, give us just a second. Hey. So when you, I'll just talk to you in a second. So can you explain to me kind of like from the beginning with you guys being in the bathroom about what took place in the bathroom?
What? We were yelling at each other.
Just yelling in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Okay.
I never put my hands on a girl one time, man. I love a girl. I'm not gonna do that.
No, I know. You told me that you had pushed her in a self-defense way, so I'm just trying to get what happened, because I just went and spoke to her. You asked me to go speak with her, right?
Yes, sir, yes,
so I
sir.
went and spoke to her. She told me some events took place in the bathroom, and I just want your side
Did
of
she
what
say a
happened
closed
in the
fist was
bathroom.
ever?
Correct.
She said I closed my fist and punched her.
Correct.
She did?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
And she said that the knot that you're talking about on her head, about her head hitting the windowsill, was on the back of her head, but the spot that we see is on her cheek.
Yeah, nope. That ain't true.
Okay.
That's not true.
So she says in the bathroom that you pushed her first, and she fell into the sink, and she got up and punched you in the face. And then she said that is when you followed up with a punch to her in the face.
No, I did not. I never punched that. Why are my hands not red, sir?
I'm just telling you.
But I'm saying though, if you punch like you fighting and
just
you
hear me
punch though, your hands gonna
Hey,
be
hear me out.
red though.
You asked me to go and talk
No,
to her.
I know.
went
I'm
and talked
talking
her,
to
right?
you too, though.
So
I'm
I
talking to
want
you
to know
too,
from
though.
your side of the story. Something happened in the bathroom. People don't just get knots everywhere. We're just like, hey, we're just talking. I run into 17 doors. That doesn't happen.
Ain't no telling when you drunken off bars. What do you mean?
So you're drunken off bars where you
Didn't I just tell you I got off
started
work?
leaking in your nose?
Didn't I
because
just tell you I
ran
got off
into a
work?
door?
I just told you I got off work, right?
I'm just saying.
I
what
can't
you're
do
saying
that.
is not
I can't do that at work. Though.
right. So your story's
I'm
not
not talking.
accurate.
I'm not
It's
talking
not
about.
adding up.
I'm not talking about.
Right.
I'm
So
talking
you
about
still
my
have
girl
injuries
that's been
too.
home all
I want
day.
to know how it happened.
She wailing off me. I didn't touch her one time. So if I'm gonna go to jail, y'all can take me right now.
not saying-
I didn't put my hands on that girl one time.
So-
I pushed her in self-defense, and that's just that. I never one time. Why is it not a number 4 or an indent of a ring or something of some nets? Yes, it does. Bro.
Sometimes you can just graze the cheek and then.
I'm trying to hit him. When I hit him, I'm trying to knock him out. I ain't trying to graze him. I'm not trying to graze nobody. When I swing this, I'm trying to knock him out.
Okay,
I've been with this girl for 7 years. I was with her while her granddad died. All type of I never put my hands on that girl.
Right.
I never seen my dad put his hands on my mom. So why would I do that,
That's
bro?
why I'm just trying to figure it out. I didn't know if you punched her because she punched you first. That's what
No,
she
I
told
didn't
me.
punch her at all. She's
She
lying.
told me she hit you in the face and that you struck her back.
How many times did she say she hit me in my face?
The one time. that she
Once.
hit you in
Oh
the face.
wow, yeah, but my nose is leaking. That ain't true.
But you told me that your nose is leaking because you ran into a
I did. After
door. So
she hit me, boom.
was it from?
She hit me, boom, blood, instantly.
Yeah.
I'm turning around trying to get away. Boom, the door is right there. What do you mean? It's a little ass house.
Yeah.
Cubicle.
Well, listen, you understand that like there is this self-defense thing. She punches you in the face and then you punch back to get away.
I
Or
didn't
whatever.
punch back though, sir. I did not. I'm telling you.
So
that.
then when did her phone get taken? When she called 911. Did you take her phone because you did not want her to call 911?
Yes. Hell yeah. What is we involved in the police in our situation for? We argue all the time. What the like?
So she called 911. Did she tell you she was calling 911?
Hell no.
Okay, so you just heard like the dispatch on the
Yeah,
phone?
I didn't even hear that. I hear the phone ringing. I opened the closet door because we fighting. I push her in the closet. I'm not trying to do that. Close the closet behind her. Now I'm standing outside the closet trying to take my the drawers. I hear the thing get to doing the ringing. So I open the door. I see that say 911. What are you calling 911? What are you calling the police for?
So then you took her phone?
Yeah, and hung up the phone and set it right there on the dresser.
No one, you didn't hear any voices or
No,
anything like
no,
that?
no.
You just saw that your girl
When I
called
opened the door, she was pressing the green button.
Okay,
And I took the phone and pressed the red button and set the phone back down.
okay.
So,
Alright. What's your name again?
Kylie.
Kylie, I'm sorry this is taking forever.
It's
Usually it
okay.
doesn't take me this long. So when I initially asked you what happened, you had told me that you pushed him in self-defense first because he got in your face, right?
Yeah, like he was charging at me into
Yeah.
the.
And so what my partner told me out there was that you told him something else different. So what are you saying now? What happened?
What did I tell him? I mean, I may have mixed it up. I'm not gonna lie. I was blacked out. I was trying to get a hold of you guys. I
Yeah.
was just manic mode. But so what happened? I texted him before he got home from work. I said, I'm gonna go out with my friend. We're just gonna go to the casino for a little bit. And he immediately told me no. He's like, you're not going out. No reason, nothing. He came in the house screaming, see me getting ready at my makeup table, which is in my room. So it started pushing all that stuff on the floor. I'm sure you've seen that when you went in there. And then, so after that, like, I have really bad anger issues, so I like to just walk away from things, like cool down. So I started walking to the bathroom, and then that's when he followed me, and I had to push him back, or else he was gonna push me into the sink. And then when I pushed him back is when he swung at me but missed, so then I hit him back.
So you did just tell my other partner that was in here, you said that he pushed you over the sink?
No, like he pushed me. I didn't fall into the sink.
Who pushed who first?
He pushed me into the bathroom first. And
Okay.
that's why I hit him.
You tried to leave, he pushed you in the bathroom.
I didn't necessarily try to leave.
Like-
I just wanted to shut the door and be in the bathroom alone. But
Okay.
he pushed me back so he could shut the door.
So you were on your way to the bathroom and he pushes you.
Yes.
And you're back?
No, I was
As you-
facing
okay.
like this, so he just pushed me.
Okay. And so he pushes you into the bathroom and then you go into the bathroom?
Where
What
I'm
happens
in
in
the
the bathroom? What happens in the bathroom?
That's when I can't remember if I hit him first or if he hit me first, honestly. I just felt like I was going to get attacked, so
Okay.
I might have hit him first.
Okay. How did 911 come up?
I told him if he didn't leave, I was going to call you guys, and that's when he snatched my phone, and he was like, you're not calling APD. And then he was like, if you call them, I'm going to kill you, and just kept threatening me.
Where were you whenever you called 911?
I was in the bedroom, but as soon as I was in the closet of the bedroom, like trying to be quiet, and he heard me and came and snatched the phone and threw it.
You had 911 on the screen, right?
Yeah, like I even called them.
Let me see.
They stayed on the phone.
Who is this phone?
Yeah, I called them at 9.
631?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry. And then they listened for, I guess it says 1 minute only. I thought they were
A little bit longer than that?
Yeah, but I guess not.
So you don't know who punched who first, but you know that he pushed you.
Yeah, he provoked me to, I'm not saying I'm not in the wrong.
Yeah.
If he wouldn't have pushed me, I would have never punched him.
Okay.
I know we're both in the wrong, so I don't know what to do or what's going on, but.
I'm gonna take him. Okay. He's gonna come with me.
Okay.
This is where you guys both live here, right?
Mm-hmm.
He's coming for tonight. He's gonna see a judge in the morning. He's more than likely gonna end up being released. Has anything like this happened in the past? Are there any guns in here?
Yeah, they're registered to me.
They're both registered to you.
Yes.
You
I
have
only
a Floyd?
Yes.
He doesn't?
No.
Okay. Where are the
Like
guns at?
definitely. In my closet.
In your closet.
Yeah, actually I don't know, because when we started arguing, he grabbed it. Like he was chasing me with it, so I don't know if he hid it. Yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot about that.
How did
the
it
gun or the
go?
lockbox?
Huh?
With the gun or the lockbox?
The gun. I have a PC charger, if you know what that is. A room.
PC charger?
Yeah.
No. Like a laptop charger?
No, it's a, sorry, I'm not really good with the name of this gun, but if you want, I can try to see if it's in there if you guys want to come with me.
Sure. Show me.
Because I always keep that.
Hold on. I'll do it.
So it's
You can
gonna
tell
be
me
like
where
right.
How would that have slipped your mind? This entire time we've been talking, I've been here for 30 minutes now,
Dude,
and a gun was never mentioned. Did he point it at you?
No.
No?
He just grabbed it so that he could intimidate me not to call
How would he have intimidated you?
you. Thinking that he was going to shoot me if I called you guys.
Did he tell you that he would?
Yeah. He said, don't call the police or else I'll kill you.
Okay. And then where were you, like, were you guys separated at this time?
Yeah,
or?
I was sitting right here.
Where did you last see him holding it?
Do you mind if we look around a
Yeah,
little
go
bit?
ahead.
Go back to the gun. Why did he get the gun?
I've told you this 3 times already.
Alright,
He
yeah.
did not want me to call you guys, so he grabbed it thinking that if he had it in his hands, I wasn't going to call you guys because I was going to get shot.
Where did he hold the gun the entire time?
He was walking back and forth.
Back
What
and
does it
forth?
look like? Like, is it black?
It's a bigger gun. It's not a handgun.
Can you just try and describe it real quick to me, like a...
It's
Like
a
a-
PC charger. That's what I was told when I bought it. A charger
Like a
for it.
rifle?
No, it's
Here, I'll Google what a PC... But is it black?
yeah, it's all black.
How big is it? Use your hands.
Yeah, it's about that big.
About this big. So that's not something that could easily be hid. It should be somewhere out here. Darren, can you hang up the phone, please? Hang up the phone, please.
I'm gonna go jail.
Nah, I gotta talk to you about a gun.
About a gun?
Yeah,
It's under the mattress in the room right now.
under the mattress.
Under the mattress in the room right now.
How'd
Go
that get there?
It's in there right now.
How'd it get there?
I took it because I thought she was going to show me.
What do you mean?
She has her gun license.
You never mentioned that. At any point
Why
we've
do I
been
have to
talking, I've
mention-
been here for 30 minutes already, and at any point did you ever mention that a gun was involved?
I took it from out the closet and put it under the mattress, so we don't got it.
So you only grabbed it
threw it under the mattress.
is it or is it not openly accessible? It's just in the closet,
Open
right?
the closet, it's right there. Wow.
Okay, and so you grabbed it and then immediately put it underneath the mattress.
She was in the closet, so she would never even seen what I did with it.
She was in which
The
closet?
closet where the gun was.
Okay.
Remember I told you I pushed her, she hit me, I
Yeah.
pushed her in the closet, closed the closet, grabbed that before I closed the door of the closet and throw it under the mattress. I don't want no dealings with no guns.
Okay.
I could say some real right now, and it'll be like as if I'm telling on her, and I ain't gonna even say that.
But she's telling me that you told her don't call 911, grabbed the gun, and was walking back and forth
No, that's not
in
true.
the living room.
That's not true. Right hand of God. That's.
Did you or did you not tell her to not call 911?
I never not one time said don't call them. Never.
Never? It's underneath the mattress, apparently. He's the only one. It's underneath the mattress.
Issue 1 interference with 911 call. The offence requires 3 statutory elements. 1, knowledge that an emergency call is in progress. 2, intentional active interference. 3, absence of legal justification. Darren confirmed all 3 elements in his own words. I saw 911 on the screen. I pressed the red button and set the phone down. This constitutes a textbook self-incriminating admission. The prosecution requires no independent witness. K-Risk Darren made these statements before any Miranda warning was administered. Issue 2 Miranda vs. Arizona 384U S4361966, and that any statement may be used against the suspect. No such advisement was given before extended questioning. The threshold question was the interaction custodial at the time the incriminating statements were made. Under Berkmer vs. McCarty 468 US 4201984, custody is determined by whether a reasonable person would feel free to terminate the encounter. Given the presence of uniformed officers, the active investigation and repeated direct questioning, a court may find this threshold was met. If the Miranda suppression motion succeeds, the primary evidence underlying the charge is excluded. The officers potentially undermined the very arrest they made. Issue 3, dual aggressor doctrine. Most jurisdictions mandate officers to identify the primary or dominant aggressor, not simply the individual with the single most provable act. Assessment criteria include injury, severity and pattern, relative physical capability, defensive wound indicators, and who initiated escalation. Kylie acknowledged in one version of her statement that she may have struck first. No documented dual aggressor analysis was conducted. Arresting only the male party without this assessment carries 14th Amendment equal protection implications, unequal application of law based on gender.
He said that she was in here whenever he took it. He didn't point that at you at any point?
No.
Okay. Where were you when that gun ended up underneath the mattress?
I have no idea because I was sitting at the end of the bed and then I shut the door. I think once he heard you guys knocking and I got up first, he put it there. I don't know, sir. I have no idea when he put it there.
Alright, man. Darren, I would have been finished with this already, but somehow a gun gets involved and now everything's changing. So, I'm going to tell you everything that you told me. And today, just got off. When you got off, she was texting you, telling you that she's going to go out. And so, once you got here, you were like, you ain't going nowhere. You don't want her hanging out with her friends.
I didn't.
No? Okay.
That is not
And
true.
well, did you get in an argument over
I said,
the...
why can't I go with y'all if y'all finna go with my homie Zay? I've been knowing all my life.
Yeah.
Why I can't go with y'all?
Okay.
Going to the casino, you don't gamble.
Yeah.
And you lightweight drink. So what are you going for? You feel me? So I want to go kick it with my Zay, get on the crap table, get on the blackjack table, have a couple of drinks. It's Friday. I've been at work all week.
And so
on my way
you
home
guys
from work,
got
I
in
get a
an
text message.
argument over, you know, you going with her, why you can't go. And so in response, we got in a little arguing match, right? We
Yeah.
start yelling at each other. She got in your face
She
and
pushed me.
And pushed you. What happened? Did she push
punched
you?
me in my...
Did she push you or punch you
She
first?
punched me.
She punched you first.
And that's always her first reaction, swing.
Okay. And then you pushed her.
Yes.
Her head hit the window.
I don't know what her head hit. Her head hit something.
Okay.
But my fist ain't hit her. I'll tell you that.
You guys are in the room, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you pushed her. She somehow hit something. In response, you try to leave, but bust your head up against a door frame, right?
How little the crib is.
Yeah, I agree. And so you bust your head on the door frame. You went. Did she tell you at this point, like, I'm gonna call 911?
Shit, I didn't hear her say it if she did.
You didn't hear her at any point say that she was gonna call 911?
No.
Okay.
I'm on the lease. I'm not scared of no police. I have no warrants. I'm good. I'm clear. So go ahead, call them.
Okay.
I'm on the lease.
Why did you grab the gun then?
Cause she's in the closet. Man, my girl crazy, bro.
Yeah.
My girl crazy. She's not finna be in that closet, mad as hell. She gonna cut that and shoot through the closet or something. Like, bro, I ain't trying to incriminate the girl. I ain't trying to make her look like a bad person. None of that. I took the gun away just to take it away from the situation. What did I do with it? Where was it at when you just found it? Was it a bullet in the chamber?
I don't know. I didn't examine the gun myself. So you grabbed it, put it underneath the bed.
The mattress?
And the mattress. She's in the closet at this point.
My foot is covering the door.
Okay.
There's no physical way she could say that I was walking around in the living room with the gun.
She's making and she's making a phone call, and you, in response,
all right, can you just take me to jail already? Because at this point, because I don't even want to keep talking about it though, boss man.
You open the door and take the phone away.
You finna take me to jail because I hung up the phone on the police.
I'm trying to figure that out.
I understand, bro. Can we just go?
All right,
it's,
turn around.
it's no point, bro.
Get up and turn
It's
around.
no point, bro. Hey, Kate, I'm going to jail, cuz. You heard it all. You heard it all, Kate.
Put your hand behind your back. Here, I'll hold on to it, man.
I'm putting it in my pocket. I got weed on me too, though.
Okay, that's fine.
That's crazy.
You were at home, man. You were at home.
I'm going to jail though right now. You hear me, Kate? I'm going to jail, Kate. So what I'm going to jail for interfering with a domestic?
Yeah.
Oh wow. So what is this? So do I get a bond or something tonight or what? It's Friday.
It's domestic related, so you have to go see a judge in the morning.
This is epic, bro.
All right, come over here.
From what is it? Interfering with
With the reporting of 911. All the way on the other side,
it's interfering with recording of a 911 call.
I mean, if you could. Yeah. Wait right here, bro.
So she's not going to jail for putting her hands on me because I want to press charges now. I ain't going to jail by myself. You see my face and you see her face. You see how big I am? So you think if I punch her, she not going to have more than just that on her though? Be for real though, bro. That's bogus. Y'all bogus as hell, bro. I swear to God, okay, they bogus, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab the weed and I'm gonna put it back in the car.
No, can you put it in my truck?
I'm gonna put it in the crib.
No, hell no. Put it in that silver truck right there, please.
Is it unlocked?
Yes. Hell yeah, go ahead.
I'll put it in there.
It's
Which
right
one?
here.
The
The
Chevy
silver
Tahoe
top?
right there?
Yes, sir. No, keep my keys in there. I'm taking my keys with me.
Alright. Sounds good.
And then it's the tissue right there. I've got all this blood on me, but I'm going to jail. This is
Alright. Give me your phone.
damn, bro, how you just gonna snatch my phone though,
Give me
bro?
your phone.
You didn't ask for it. You're just gonna
I'm
snatch
telling
it.
you to give it to me.
Here, man. You were just gonna snatch it out my hand, bro.
Because you're under arrest at this point. You don't.
You're snatching a lot of I don't not like that, bro. Real
Got a
Are you
case
gonna
Yeah, I
lock
you
do.
want to go in?
It's not locked.
Oh, okay, okay.
Tom, I just put my weed back in the car.
Man, I don't want this.
I don't know
Okay,
what you
come
want.
on.
You gotta
Go
take
ahead
it
and
back
have a
in there and
seat.
give it to that.
What are you doing with this?
They're my keys,
All
bro.
right, go ahead and have a seat.
I'm handing them to you. How the fuck I'm gonna sit down with them keys?
It's gonna go underneath the car.
This bogus as hell, boy. I swear to God. Can you put them in the front door? Hurt? Like, can you loosen them a little bit?
Yep.
Checks.
She's saying that both of the cars that they have are in her name, and I know she's going to ask for those keys, so I want to see if it's actually.
This way to the right.
Issue 4. Firearm unauthorized handling during active domestic dispute. Under 18 USC, Section 922, G9 persons convicted of qualifying domestic violence misdemeanors are prohibited from possessing firearms. No prior conviction was established here. However, handling a registered weapon belonging to another party during an active domestic incident may independently constitute criminal menacing if the opposing party's account is credited, specifically displaying a firearm while stating, "Don't call the police or I'll kill you." If proven, this elevates the offence from misdemeanor interference to felony level threatening with a deadly weapon, a fundamentally different criminal exposure. Admissibility of 911 called Davis v. Washington 547 US 8132006. The Supreme Court classified 911 calls as non-testimonial statements admissible under the confrontation clause independent of live witness testimony. Kylie's partially open call constitutes independent evidence that may be more reliable than either party's in-court account. The call was placed at approximately 1831 and remained active for approximately 1 minute, capturing live audio of the ongoing dispute. This recording stands irrespective of suppressed statements, lessons, law enforcement, to document dual aggressor assessment in every domestic call, regardless of apparent primary suspect. 3, treat delayed disclosure of a weapon as a material credibility factor, not a minor detail. Lessons, civilians, becomes admissible evidence. Darren provided his own prosecution. 2, removing or handling a firearm during a domestic dispute, regardless of stated intent, creates independent criminal exposure. 3, inconsistent statements across multiple interviews destroy credibility at every subsequent proceeding. Evaluation summary. Darren C. self-incriminated on the charged offence. Forensic argument on injuries valid but outweighed. Kylie B. nice. Correct to call 911. Material inconsistencies across accounts. 3-0 minute delay in disclosing firearm credibility problem. Case status disposition unknown at time of analysis. Miranda suppression motion likely if case proceeds to trial.